What's going on? Welcome to part 2 of my tribute to Paradise. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, there's a link to it in the description below. This is my new channel. Do me a big favor. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. There's a lot of cool content coming. There's a subscription button also in the bottom right corner. Now I'm aware that there are online videos of the live footage, but there's a lot of crowd noise. These videos are specifically special because you can hear the individual pieces at stage and live volumes. It begins to recreate the concert experience minus the ambient noise. That's why I love this footage. Before I go any further, I do want to personally thank my brother-in-law Chris Moa for videotaping. If not for him, we wouldn't have any of this footage at all. Thank you so much, Chris. There's a lot of planning that goes into a concert, much more than what's shown in this video. This begins to give you an idea of what happens. You'll see a lot of behind the scenes work and engineering. Again, I'm showing this video as a gift to fans and band members that may not ever get a chance to see it again. I tried to keep today's video short, and I'm also going to provide commentary. I hope you enjoy the video. So this is our video and light team. This person is William Cha. He's a great guy. We met him through Hmong Story 40 several years back. It takes a lot of work putting together a light show. He's a very gifted and extremely hard-working individual. This is a stage crew member putting up the lights. They had actually put up the stage before we were there to set up, obviously. You can kind of see there are actually 2 drum sets that we use together. This is the floor before it's completely set up. Now the lights are set up and everyone's putting everything together. That's William running the video. That's my favorite music video in the back there. There are a bunch of people that never get seen. Some of them are these guys here. This is Mikey and Moa. They helped with the documentation of the concert. So this is the backstage. This right here eventually became the VIP backstage. These are our staff members, our wives.
Are you taking it?
Yeah, I am.
Welcome
if you know her,
back
you know
to
her.
Paradise.
And my brother and his wife in the back. This is my side of the stage with my babies there in the back. It's essential that you learn how to work with stagehands. It'll make your life a lot easier. This is a shot of us starting to put the flooring and the seats together. The seating for this concert was a little bit different. No dance floor whatsoever.
Can you bring this one in the middle as well? Because
and basically the way the band hears on stage is a monitor system, and you spend a bulk of the time learning and tweaking the audio the way you like it. All those little black devices on the ground, they're actually monitors for us to hear. We don't hear what audience members hear at all. That little walkway there is a walkway of death because you can't hear anything over audio. So this more or less is how our venue was set up with all the seating, and this is my beautiful view that I love.
Check 1, check 2. Check 1, 2. Yeah, this one has definitely a small bit. Check 1, check 2. Check 1, 2. So the mid of check 1, 2. Check 1, check 2. Even less mid. Check 1, check 2. Check 1, check 2. Check 1, 2.
And all
Check
this
1,
work
check 2.
just That's it for today. The stage is set up and we can now hear ourselves on stage. It's time for a sound check. That footage will come tomorrow. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a message below. I read all the comments. Let me know what you want to see. I may be able to provide it. You can support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Subscription button on the right hand corner. Please join me again tomorrow for part 3 of this tribute.